Today is a big day for mortgages because there's a Fed meeting happening today, and we will see around 2 p.m. Eastern time what the Fed decision will be, right? Most of the headlines were for that, and there's a 96% probability that Fed will cut rates by at least 25 basis points, right? If they do it more, that'll be great, but we're expecting at least 25. So inflation is still at 3%. They want it a little bit lower, but they don't have any option because unemployment is still skyrocketed to 4.3%, right? So as of today, Freddie Mac's still at 6.19 for your 30-year conventional conforming loans, but your mortgage news daily, they're at 6.13. So when we're talking about priced in, this is when we're seeing that the prices, when we hear news like this, the bond market already reacts to that, right? And your FHA is hovering around 5.89 there, okay? And the headlines, we see that the mortgage rates dropped to the lowest level over a year. And you can clearly see this bar here, that the highest we saw in the last 52 weeks was 7.26, and the lowest is today 6.13 there, okay? So that also pushes up refinances. Always see if your refinance does make sense. What is your current rate? How much monthly savings you will have when you do a refinance, and how much money will it cost you to actually do a refinance itself, okay? So pay attention to that. Other headlines, very similar, that the interest rates are hitting your 25 lowest points in last 52 weeks. Your mortgage calculator. So let's say you're buying a house for $550,000 with 20% down payment, with today's interest rates and $6,000 property taxes and $1,400 home insurance. You're looking at your mortgage payment around $3,300 there, okay? And these are your stats from NAR from September here, that, you know, on an average, person is receiving around 2.3 offers, around 2 to 3 offers, but those offers are solid enough where they are pushing the prices higher, okay? So there are some cash offers, there are some, you know, you can do a mortgage or cash. If you're a first-time home buyer, you're not doing all cash. We have all the options for you. If it's LJ Mortgage, LJ Realty, if you have any questions, please get in touch.